Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen. This is Beautiful Mess, and today's video I want it to be a power hour. So I don't have a lot of time to clean, but right now I have nobody at home before I have to go get the kids. So I want to try to clean as much up as I can. It's not really bad, but I have a lot to do tomorrow. So in order to prepare myself for tomorrow, I just wanted to get a head start on this. So let's see if I can get this power hour done. Let's go ahead and get started.
Since the living room wasn't too bad, I went ahead and just picked up what I needed to pick up in there really quick before I got started on the kitchen. I actually don't think that the kitchen looks too bad compared to what it typically looks like in some of my other cleaning videos. Our kitchen can turn into quite a disaster, but it is the room we use the most in this house, so I just needed to put some clean dishes away that were in the sink and some clean dishes that were also in the dishwasher, so I needed to catch up on that. Then I just needed to wipe down the back counter here and get that all cleaned up. I had some stuff on the cabinets I also wanted to get wiped down, so I went ahead and tried to get all that done. So I know I've told you guys before that I wash my dishes by hand because my dishwasher does not work very well, and I've tried cleaning it and it just leaves really bad water spots. But who out there, I am curious to know if you prefer to hand wash your dishes rather than using the dishwasher. Honestly, if my dishwasher was working, I would use my dishwasher, but I know some people like to hand wash, and I'm curious to know if you are one of them. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, now I've noticed this in other videos when I'm watching cleaning motivation videos and they're folding laundry. Typically, I see everyone sitting down folding their laundry, and I don't know what it is about me, but I just cannot sit down to fold laundry. I have always done it standing up, so I don't know if that's weird or if you do your laundry standing up too, but usually I see everybody sitting, and I just can't keep still when I'm doing the laundry. It's just such a mundane and boring task to me that I have to be standing up. So with that being said, that is my least favorite chore to do. What is your least favorite chore to do around the house? Okay guys, I cannot seem to get this area under control. No matter how many times I clean it up, it just piles up. It gets so messy. It is the one thing that just I cannot get under control no matter how hard I try. I haven't really even finished this area. If you're wondering, this is supposed to be my desk / command center, and I just can't seem to get it finished. Okay, so I finished everything with 24 seconds to spare. I am so proud that I got this power hour done. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click that red subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my community, and also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. You can find me at Beautiful Gretchen, and I would love to see you there and just connect with you guys on Instagram also. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Take care.